Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, and today I will show you how to put the device into safe mode. Now to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and you'll find a power button right here. And once you have the power options visible, you want to hold power off. This will change into safe mode, so click on it once more to initiate it. And let's just give it a moment for it to boot up into, well, safe mode. And as you can see, now that the device is back up, you have this safe mode watermark in the corner, and this will stay here as long as you are in this mode. Additionally, in this mode only the basically pre-installed application will work. Anything that has been installed by you will not be able to be turned on at all, either by itself or by you. And additionally, as you can see, also widgets don't work in here. Even though they came with the device, they are also disabled. So that is how you'll boot into this mode, and to leave it, all you need to do is simply select restart. And this will take you back to Android and to, well, normal mode. And as you can see, we're now back in Android and also back in normal mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.